world, guys. Today I'll be making another video for you guys. Sorry for the background noise. So let's begin with the video. I'm here in McAllen, Texas. In this part of the town on Ware Road and Jordan Road. And it's totally free and open to the public. Sorry for any background noise. Very beautiful. The bus stop over there, Brown Middle School. Like I said, Ware Road. And the best part about this place is that it's free and open to the public 24/7. The beauty of nature. Let me see what else I find here. If I find something interesting, I'll show you guys. I'm like halfway already. Now let's go ahead and see the other half. And like I said, it's totally free and open to the public. And it's here in McAllen, Texas, on Ware Road and Jordan Avenue, or street actually. Very beautiful here. My car is way over there in the distance. The only thing about this place is that it does not have a name. At least I didn't see any name. But I mean, the beauty of nature, right? And it's free to the public and open to the public 24/7 here in McAllen, Texas. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. I hope you guys really loved this video, and I hope you guys really follow me on my adventures. And before I forget, make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Laters. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.